The OnePlus 13s delivers a rare blend of flagship performance, long battery life, and premium AI-enabled features in a compact 6.3-inch form, a design direction almost forgotten in 2025. Here are the pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion for the OnePlus 13s. For pros, compact form factor. The phone's small size and lightweight, 185G, make it one of the few compact flagship options on the market, offering comfortable one-handed use and portability. Top-tier performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset provides exceptional performance for all tasks, including demanding games and multitasking. Excellent battery life. The large 5,850 mAh battery, combined with the efficient processor and LTPO display, provides long-lasting power, often lasting a full day or more on a single charge. Fast charging. The 80W SuperVOOC wired charging can quickly top up the battery, with a full charge taking around 40 to 55 minutes. High-quality display. The Pro XDR LTPO AMOLED screen is bright, vibrant, and offers a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making it great for media consumption and daily use. Clean and smooth software. OxygenOS 15 is praised for its smooth performance and clean user interface. For cons, limited camera versatility. The camera system, while good, lacks an ultra-wide-angle lens, which is a significant drawback for a flagship-level phone. The telephoto lens is limited to 2x optical zoom and lacks OIS, making it less versatile than some competitors. No wireless charging. The absence of wireless charging is a notable omission for a phone in this price category. USB 2.0 port. The USB Type-C port uses the outdated 2.0 standard, which means slower data transfer speeds compared to phones with USB 3.0 or higher. Missing features. The device lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack and Dolby Atmos support for its speakers, which may be a disappointment for some users. 4 special features. Compact design. The OnePlus 13s's primary selling point is its compact, ruthless design that provides flagship-level power in a smaller and more manageable form factor. OnePlus AI Plus Key. This new button replaces the traditional alert slider and is integrated with various AI features. Aqua Touch 2.0. A display feature that ensures smooth and responsive operation even when the screen or your hands are wet. Clear Burst. A camera feature for capturing crystal-clear images of fast-moving subjects. Overall conclusion. The OnePlus 13s is a highly compelling choice for anyone seeking a powerful and compact Android flagship. Its top-of-the-line processor, excellent display, and class-leading battery life make it a fantastic device for performance and longevity. The 80W fast charging is a game-changer for quick top-ups. However, the phone is not without its compromises. The camera system, while capable, is less versatile than rivals due to the lack of an ultra-wide lens and a limited telephoto zoom. The absence of wireless charging and the use of a USB 2.0 port are also disappointing for a premium device. Ultimately, if you prioritize a powerful, smooth, and long-lasting phone in a compact and comfortable design and are willing to overlook the camera's limitations and the lack of wireless charging, the OnePlus 13s is an exceptional choice. It's a little guy with big dreams that largely delivers on its promise of being a compact beast.